I'm Cameron Bonzi. I'm the Vice President of Marketing with Coast of Maine Organic Products. And we're delighted to be one of the sponsors of the Connecticut Horticultural Society Symposium, Finding New Inspiration in the Garden. Just on a personal note, it's a perfect place for me and for Coast of Maine to be. I see a lot of old friends that are sponsoring this event. Pride's Corner Farm that I've known for 25 years, that entire crew. We've at Coast of Maine, we've also worked with Balix Garden Center, done a bunch of videos with them, and they've been long time garden centers with us. We advertise in Connecticut Gardener, so I encourage you to buy a copy of that and get a subscription. We've done some limited work with Broken Arrow and Crooked Hill Garden. Woodland Gardens has been a garden center that has carried our products for a very long time. And probably key to all of this, and certainly key for us being one of the sponsors of this event today, is NatureWorks and Nancy DeBrule. Nancy is an old friend. If you've ever gone to any type of horticultural show that has any type of entertainment or band, you'll find her the first one on the dance floor and probably the last one to leave, full of energy and charisma, so welcoming, so smart. She has been a huge part of us as a brand. When we had a liquid fertilizer that was a liquid fermented salmon, smelled awful, but it worked great. She loved it. She told a lot of people about it in Connecticut in the late 90s and the early 2000s. And then her entire staff at NatureWorks, when she owned it, they were fantastic, and I'm sure they still are. But they've been a huge part of our brand, a huge part of why we're here today. For those of you that don't know us, we do organically approved soils and fertilizers. Most of those are created from ocean residuals like lobster shells, salmon, kelp, mussel shells, oyster shells. We have grown tremendously over the years, and it really is a thank you to the state of Connecticut and all the folks that I mentioned before. I want to thank Katherine Tracey. We're sponsoring her event today, the Quintessential Garden. I hope you get inspired, and I hope that you go out and encourage all your friends to continue gardening and inspire young folks to garden too. Have a wonderful time today. If you have any questions with me, you can get my contact information from coastofmaine.com. Thank you very much.